Team Auto Sales 4 Cylinders, the Greg Banks Auto Repair and Salvage Modifieds. We want to thank our supporters and sponsors here at Valley Raceway. It would not be possible without them, including Stefan Somerset and his roofing and construction company. You can see the sign in the infield, 902-824-2397. I want to thank him again for supporting Valley Raceway. We'd also like to thank Universal Costumes, Investors Group, Watton Concrete Construction, and Freeman's. If you have a business and you would like to advertise with Valley Raceway, get in touch with Peggy or Greg. We can certainly help you out, and you can help at the track in many, many ways. So as you may know, I've been floating around on the tracks since 2019 practically. I've been at Riverside, Sydney Speedway, Miramichi, Petty, this and that, up and down the road. The one guy I've been up and down the road with a lot so far in 2020 and 2021 is Tim Terry from Tim's Corner Motorsports. He's here, he's just getting all untangled. Usually we have the wireless mic, but we're going hardwired for a little bit. Tim, great to have you back here at Valley.
I am old school, I guess is what they call it.
Old school.
I mean, you're here with your TikToks and everything else, and I'm still trying to figure out my smartphone.
Yeah, I put a video up at Valley on TikTok.
Has that hit 30,000 yet?
Oh, not yet. It's
getting there.
My Like Dowsett video hit 50,000. It's got a little bit to go.
Dowsett.
Dowsett. Yes, that's right. That's right. Everyone was commenting, no, you're wrong. It's Dowsett. No, it's Dowsett down that way. Anyways, Tim, great to have you on Oyster Bend last night. Now you're here in the Valley.
Yeah, Halifax Friday night, Oyster Bend Speedway last night for the Maritime Street Stock Series. Great to see Jim Tingley go to victory lane in that. A very popular win at Oyster Bend Speedway. And now here this afternoon, great to see the dirt racing. Great to see everybody back. Great to see familiar faces in the grandstand. And we're getting ready to see some green flag competition here in just a few moments to kick off the summer of 2021, albeit a little bit late, here at Valley Raceway, and a couple of dates coming up as well. So excited to kick it off here, and just like every racetrack that had to rebound from this COVID-19 pandemic, car count a little bit smaller than what we're used to, but it'll continue to grow as the season goes on.
I know one driver who I hope will have a car soon, John Pone. John Pone sitting here.
Oh, is he?
Oh, yeah. He tried wrestling a hat for me when I was doing some giveaways for Rick Elser.
I wouldn't want to mess with John Pone.
But hopefully we see him, and yes.
Is Tom Stewart here yet?
I don't know. He said he was coming.
Okay, I'm sure
he'll come up and say hi. But it's great to see. Not the biggest of car counts. 6 in the 4-cylinder and 5 in the modifieds and the V8 trucks. But you know what? Again, we have not run since October 2019. It's a little tough.
And there's a couple of drivers in the pit area having issues. I know Matt Burgoyne is back there having a little bit of trouble getting that car going here this afternoon. Some new parts on that race car, and sometimes new and shiny does not want to work as designed. So they're in the pit area playing around with that.
Matt Bossman, doing it all from Canadian Tire Bridgewater's here. It's a little pressure, I think. First time at Valley Raceway.
Yes. We all know with brand new race cars, sometimes everything doesn't go as planned. It takes a little bit to get worked in. Stephen Reese. It takes a little time to get worked in and what have you. So hoping to see that out here for at least maybe their second heat of the feature a little bit later on. Maybe they'll get out here for the first heat of Mons, but we're getting ready. We're getting some pace laps in. This is where everything gets excited. I can't wait.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome, Tim. It's been a long time coming. Been waiting for
and they grow
this
with
almost 24 months really.
$30.
So we're going to roll off with the K&J Truck Center 8-cylinder truck division. Starting on the pole for this 10-lap heat race, Greg Kingsman in the number 48, Brad Cross in the number 7 truck, Justin Balser in the number 12 truck, Kyle Bent in the 14 8-cylinder. James Graves drove that car a couple of years ago. I'm sure James is here today helping out. He'll be starting 4th in the back, Dwight Petty in the 66. I want to thank John's Tire and Towing for supplying the Pace vehicle today. Sponsoring half the field, really.
You know who's here? Robbie Thompson.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I can't see Robbie, but I know Robbie can hear us. So
perfect.
It's good to be heard by Robbie, and I'm sure we'll catch up with him a little bit later on.
That's awesome. No, it's great to see familiar faces here at Valley Raceway. Long time coming. Great to see the stand semi-packed. Kind of feels normal, Tim, here on a Sunday afternoon.
Absolutely. The only thing that's not normal is Greg Banks' car has a new coat of paint on it.
Yeah, and he's wearing pants. I don't see those white legs.
Don't tempt him.
Enough of his legs. Race fans, who's ready to see some dirt racing? Been waiting 2 long years nearly for this. Kinsman and Brad Cross in the front row. Bruce the Flagsman has best sound in the world, Tim Terry. Hearing those cars and trucks fire off, dirt flying, and some of these boys haven't driven in 2 years nearly, Tim.
Doing a great job in position number 3, Kyle Lynn, first time. Really getting his feet underneath him in the V8 car, running in position number 4, but still plenty of laps. I kind of forgot how loud these cars are. Kyle Lynn, he's facing the wrong way out of the speed. He'll get it turned around, pick up a little dust from the track, and he'll move out of the way. So really a 2-horse race up in front between Greg Kinsman and Justin Balser. Balser goes to the inside. Trying to hold on to Balser now to the inside. And right there. The top is really tacky right now. The inside is where they've got to work in. And that's where Balser is going. First time racing in nearly 2 years. I imagine. We got a good battle. Well, in front of Greg Kinsman. Greg got a hold of himself. So halfway through the race, here now, racing for the 8 cylinders. 5 runs to go. Already start out like he's driving. And typically with these Balsers, they whip the truck around and do a little. We'll see here in just a second. It's Kyle Level across the start finish line at 14. Race fans give a wave off to Justin Balser as well as he passes on the front stretch. Go for this victory down here, Valley. Want to remind you again, this year our canteen is provided by TJ's Hot Dogs, Burgers, and Hand-Cut Fries. I want to thank TJ again for stepping up to the plate this year to serve you some delicious food. The burgers are amazing. I had one earlier. It's awesome.
And they take debit and credit, too. They've got that square thing, so if you didn't have cash, don't worry. They've got you hooked up. One more time, race fans. Justin Balser in the 12, getting the first checkered flag of the day. And again, the Kinsmen are set up next to us here in the announcer area, and you can buy your 50-50 ticket. They'll be also walking around, too, so we'll do that draw a little later, and we'll see if you go home a little richer on a Sunday afternoon. Still no second track. We'll have the T-Model Sales 4 cylinders. Tim, my notes are already brown from all that dust that was kicked up, so you know what? I'm okay cleaning up the dust, because it's just been too darn long since we've been here.
I went to TJ's to get a Diet Coke to go with my dirt.
There you go.